Designed to be the world's first sports betting bankroll management software, all online in your browser. Now, sports betting's fairly complicated. You have to understand how odds work, you have to understand what sport you're trying to bet on and how the scoring goes, and you have to understand a lot of different variables with how to manage your money. Now, the number one thing that most sites will tell you when they talk about how to be profitable in sports betting is bankroll management. Now, bankroll works by first pinpointing your goals and figuring out what it is that you would like to bet like. Meaning, do you want to be risky? Do you want to go fairly low risk with, just make it interesting enough that you can watch the sport and enjoy it? Or do you want to throw all your money at it and get the best picks to hopefully be able to double your money in a night? It's similar to how different investment platforms that invest for you first ask what it is that you're trying to accomplish. Then Bankroll takes all the information that you give it based on your favorite sports, how risky you'd like to be, how much money you have to bet, and it then runs a series of machine learning algorithms to figure out exactly how you should bet. Then from that, it spits out a risk balance pick so that you can go through and manage your picks in such a way that it minimizes the amount of loss that you could possibly have while maximizing your possible gain. Now, what does that look like? Well, you go through the bankroll bets dashboard. You'll first go through, you'll select your sport, like football. Then your bet type. You want to do straight bets. Your risk category. I might be medium. Your sports book. We might want to bet on Barstool Sportsbook. Then it generates a series of picks that is beneficial to decreasing your risk while maximizing your possible profit. An example of this might be it selecting you doing two lock type bets, such as two bets where the player or team that you're picking is heavily favored, meaning there's a low chance that you would lose that bet. Then it would add in a value underdog, meaning an underdog that has a high payout, but the machine learning algorithm shows is actually less of an underdog than what the Vegas odds are set at. A value coin toss bet would be similar in that it picks games that are close in the odds, but our algorithm shows that there's actually an advantage against the house. Now, once all those are selected, Bankroll will put out a series of graphs showing and trying to inform the user exactly why the betting strategy works the way it does. And then finally, we'll be tracking the player or user's bets over time to show exactly how their bets that they make alone compare to the way the bankroll bets work. This is how we intend to establish user growth and continue to build. Now, this mock-up you're seeing here is just that. It's a mock-up right now. We will go through the stage of this in any sort of interview as well as in our application.